Hello, hello, and welcome to Yoga with Carolynne. My name is Carolynne, and this is Nala, enjoying the tall grass outside. Welcome to the outdoors. Welcome to my backyard. I thought that it would be nice to pull my mat outside and practice amongst the sound of the wind and the birds and the warmth of the sun, because I know for myself, I have been practicing outdoors a whole lot more recently during this pandemic, and what a wonderful gift it has been, because we're not practicing indoors in studios these days. So you're either practicing inside your living room or you're practicing outside. And so I thought that it would be a nice way to bring a little bit more connection, a bit more grounding to your yoga practice today. So today's practice is going to be a 10-minute yoga stretch, really inspired by the idea of just bringing your yoga mat outside, pausing in the middle of your day or at the end or the beginning of your day when you're like, I just need a little bit of a break. I need a little bit of a stretch so that I can get back to my day. So pull your yoga mat outside, or heck, practice this in the grass. Or if you're not practicing outside with me, I hope that the sounds of my backyard help bring a little bit more grounding to your day. So let's get started. Welcome to Yoga with Carolynne, teaching empaths and sensitive souls just like you how to create a collaborative relationship with your body through cozy, accessible yoga and self-care practices in order to live a life filled with less doing and more being. So we're actually going to start today's yoga practice at the back end of your yoga mat, facing the front end of your space. And if you do happen to be standing outside, or if you're standing and practicing by a window, then it would be so beautiful if you could turn towards the sun if it happens to be sunny where you're practicing today. Finding yourself in your standing posture, your Tadasana, your mountain pose. The birds are really welcoming us in today. Finding your comfortable position for your feet, so the feet are about hip distance apart. Open the palms towards the sky. Typically here, I would say bring the eyes to a close, but if it feels more connecting for you to still have the eyes open as you take in the beauty around you, if you do happen to be outside, or if you want to take a look at the screen, then you can do that too. Taking in any sort of sounds that you might be hearing around you. Feeling the ground, the earth beneath your feet. Sink into that support. Take a deep breath all the way into your belly. Let it out with a sigh. 2 more like that. Inhale in the belly. Exhale with a sigh. Last one, inhale. Let it go with a sigh. Let's find some movement. Inhale as you reach the arms out to either side. Bring the palms together. Bring the fingers to clasp, releasing the pointer finger and the thumb. Take an inhale here. Exhale as you tip towards the left. Inhale, coming back into center. Exhale over towards the right. One more time like that. Inhale, come into center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. And exhale, right. Inhale as you find that length. Softness in the knees as you exhale and you bring yourself forward and down. Generous bend in the knees here. And then inhale to find your half lift. Bring the hands onto the shins or the thighs. The gaze is still down and you reach the crown of the head forward. Exhale as you bring yourself back down into your forward fold. Inhale, reach the fingertips out to either side as you bring yourself all the way up to standing. The gaze can come up as the hands come to touch. Exhale as you bring the hands into heart center. And again, inhale, reach the hands out to either side. These half sun salutations, your invitation to say hello to the sun, even if it's beneath the clouds. Exhale as you bring yourself all the way down into your forward fold. Inhale, find your half lift. Exhale, find your forward fold. Press into the feet. Inhale, reach the hands out and all the way up towards the sky. Exhale, bring the hands into heart center. Inhale, sweep the hands out and all the way up. Exhale as you bring yourself all the way down into your forward fold. Inhale, find your half lift. Exhale, find your forward fold. This time, walk the hands forward to come into a downward facing dog. Spread the fingers wide. You can find a generous bend to the knees for the first downward facing dog here. You can find some movement into the legs if that would feel good. Let the head drop. From this shape, take an inhale to pick up into the left leg. And then the exhale steps that left foot towards the front end of your yoga mat. And then bring the right knee down towards the floor. Once you find yourself in your low lunge with the left knee above the left ankle, take an inhale to reach the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale to soften the shoulders away from the ears. Take one more inhale to find length. And then the exhale brings the hands on either side of that front foot. Curl the back toes under to then step that left foot back towards your downward facing dog. From here, take an inhale. Out the mouth, exhale. Inhale, reach the right foot up towards the sky. And then the exhale steps that right foot towards the front end of your mat. It's okay if it doesn't get all the way there. You can use that right hand to bring it forward. Bring that left knee down towards the floor. Take an inhale, reach the fingertips up towards the sky. Exhale to soften the shoulders away from the ears. Take one more inhale, reach. Exhale, the hands come down towards the floor, framing that front foot. Curl the back toes under. Lift that back knee. And then step yourself back into your downward facing dog. Take an inhale here. Exhale, side out. One more inhale. And then the exhale brings yourself down onto the floor to come into your hero's pose. Once you bring yourself there, we won't be here for too long. Take an inhale to reach the fingertips up towards the sky. On the exhale, bend into the elbows, pull the elbows down, 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 to then bring the hands behind you, clasping the hands together. Inhale as you press the knuckles down and you shine the heart forward, the gaze can come up. Exhale as you release the clasp of the hands. Inhale again, reach the fingertips up, up, up. Exhale as you bend into the elbows, pull the elbows down, 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 to then clasp the hands behind you. Take an inhale to press the knuckles down, shine the heart forward and up. Exhale, release. One more time like that. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bend at the elbows, pull them down, down, down. Clasp the hands behind you. Take an inhale, press the knuckles down, shine the heart forward and up. Exhale to release. Bring yourself down into your child's pose. Widen the knees here to create space for your beautiful body. The forehead can come down onto the floor, or you can stack a few fists to bring the forehead down. Pause here. Feel the support of the earth beneath your body. Enjoy this moment of pause and of connection in your day. From here, you'll slide the hands underneath of the shoulders to press yourself up, coming into your downward facing dog. Curl the toes under to send the hips up and back. From your downward facing dog, you'll walk the hands towards the back end of your space, forward fold. Inhale, find your half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Press into the feet. Inhale, bring yourself all the way back up to standing. One last stretch, reach it up. Exhale, bring the hands into heart center and just pause. Take this last moment of your practice to recognize the time that you've carved out in your day to pause, find connection, to do something for you so that you can get back to your day, maybe feeling a little bit more connected. Take one more inhale here. Exhale, sigh it out. And fluttering the eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me during today's 10-minute yoga stretch outside. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. If you appreciated today's practice, I would love it if you would give the video a big thumbs up, if you commented below letting me know where you practiced this video today. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, then I would love it if you became a subscriber. And if you enjoyed today's practice and you're curious about how you can practice with me a little bit more, then you can take a look at all of my live stream weekly yoga classes in the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for practicing with me, from my heart to yours, and until next time, namaste.